Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this folding adjustable table. I already had this table for over 6 months now, and I like this table a lot. I like the convenience it is to carry it around and how portable it is. So this is how the table looks when it's folded up. So it has a handle to carry it like a suitcase. It has 2 locking latches here and here. And this is how it looks. The surface is a nice smooth surface on here. So let me show you once you open it up how it looks. Okay, so once you open it, you just unlatch the latch, and then you have your net for under the table, and then it has these extra leg pieces to make the table longer or shorter. And then you have your regular legs to attach, and then on the bottom, if your surface is unstable, you're able to adjust it here on the bottom to make the table stable. So let me show you how to put it together. So you take out all your pieces, you lift it up like this. So it looks like that. Take out all your pieces. And then if you wanted to make as tall as possible, you use these middle pieces. So every middle piece has a little piece right here that clips into the holes. Okay, and then once you're ready to flip it, just put the locking mechanism so that way it stays nice and tight when you flip it. This is how the table looks fully assembled. And then you have your little net. You want to place it under to store more items under the table. So the table is very convenient and very easy to put together. So this is almost the size of a door, as you can see in the picture. Let me show you how to take it apart. And you bring it together and you close it back up. And this is your adjustable table. Overall, this is a great portable table for anybody that likes to cook outside and that needs extra table to place their item. You can even use it as a dining table to eat your meal on if you need to use it. And I like how convenient it is and how small it is when you fold it back up, and everything is nicely placed inside the self-containing case.